wanted to see his feathers go up. I took some pictures with the feathers going up.
This one likes it. Look at his eyes like it's falling asleep.
Okay. Oh, this feels good.
The cockatoos like.
Look, oh, you stepped in it. The poop where it poops.
Can they put it on your foot?
No.
At least it's on my foot. Okay. That was the poop that went on my back, on my shoulder.
Yeah, most of it fell on the floor.
Oh, and you sure it didn't get anywhere else on my shirt?
No, that's it.
Let me see. Oh look, maybe these two are looking at each other and they were like licking the glass. Hello. 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 Oh, Michelle. Look at these two sleeping together. Look how cute. Look at this one, baby. Hello.
Hi. It said one soul.
So get the fuck away from me. When it gets nervous, I don't go near it.
It's nervous?
I don't know, but it was like suspicious.
You scared me.
It scared me. Look at the African gray.
Look, this is Echo.
Let's see the little birds.
This is called Echo.
Let's see these little ones.
I want to pet a little bird.
The ones in cages, I don't think you should touch.
I know.
But then again, you know, these are parakeets and finches, so they fly easier and they're harder to get. But at the same time, Fifi used to have, I think it was a canary or a parakeet. I think Grandma found a canary, and Fifi, when she was real little, she had a parakeet, and she used to put it inside her little dollhouse.
Oh, look at those. Oh, they don't work.
Look at this bird. Caca. Boring? So leave? You want to leave?
No.
You said boring.
No, it's a boarding bird, not for sale.
Are you for sale?
No.
Where are you going?
Look.
We can bite. You walk like a bubblehead. Look at this one. Said, I will fuck you up. That one's... These birds curse. You want me to bite your fucking finger, bitch? Whoa, this bird is crazy. Said, you're lucky there's fiberglass is between us.
This fiberglass?
Yeah.
Look, it's following my finger.
Or plexiglass. I forget. I think it's fiberglass.
Look at it. It's following my finger. You will be my pet. You.
Go ahead and put that finger in here so I can take a bite of it. Oh, look at these two, baby. They were cleaning each other. Look how cute.
I want to touch one, but I'm scared if it bites me.
Go ahead. Maybe the... It said, can't you see we're making love? Can't you see we're in love? That one said, how about me? I don't have a girlfriend. I don't know if they're girls or boys, or maybe they both want his girlfriend, or because when you went to go to that one seemed like it got jealous and it went over there. It said, they're both mine. These look similar to great-grandpa's bird. Look at these. Oh, that one's
This one looks like mommy's father's bird.
Oh. I think my parrot was like a cherry.
Look at the beak. What's wrong with the beak?
It has something in its mouth. Nothing's wrong.
No.
Oh, yeah. Fucking fatty.
What happened with his beak?
I don't know. Maybe it chipped it. Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying on the top. Oh, well, on the bottom more. I think it might have chipped it. It could have hurt itself biting something. Let's see. Look at this one. You want to pet this one, babe?
I'm scared.
This one's a peach-fronted Kanya.
It's trying to bite me.
No. Look, it's just licking.
Does it do it hard?
No.
Let me see.
This one's so cute. It's like a miniature parrot, it looks like. I don't know if maybe it's a baby or... What are you trying to eat the food?
Ow!
Here, baby, take... Oh, look at this one.
Look! It's letting me pet it.
Yeah, that's cool. This one's trying to go to sleep here. I like this one. It's so cute. Look, baby. See?
I know, but it bit me hard.
Well, they don't mean it, because, you know, they could snap your finger if they want to.
Hi! Look at it. It's putting up its
Take a
feathers.
little video of me petting it. Oh, exactly. Look out. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, that is. That means they're calm. When they're putting up their feathers, that means they like it.
No.
Oh, so hi. Hi, Daddy. You like it?
I like to beat you up. Look how pretty.
It's putting up its feathers. It likes you. Hi, pretty bird.
Oh, look, it's ducking its nose in and everything. This one's so sweet.
Let me pet it. I want to pet it.
Oh, look at this one. Ow. That one nipped me. Oh, look at this one.
I pet that one. Let me pet it. Look.
I like their tongues are dry. It feels. Hello. Hello. We're gonna see the cockatoos again. Look at over here, Michelle. This one's not. course they're not. It's cool. I don't like when they get like. Hello. I haven't heard any of them talk. Some of them will talk. But these cockatoos are real nice and friendly. Look at this one. Hello, you heard it?
Hello. Hello.
I said hello.
Hello.
Video me.
Hello.
Video me is funny. Come over here. Move back.